Okay, good morning, students. How are you today?
Great.
Fine.
I'm happy that you're fine. Today, I'm going to share a link that you have to enter in order to see what I have prepared for you. Okay, so I'm going to share the link um, via this message from the. Give me a moment. Okay, you just have to click on the link that I sent you via the message. Okay, we have here Samuel is already in, and Liliana. Okay, thank you very much. So before starting the class, I want to present a video. Okay, I want you to present a video. So please pay attention to the video, listen to the sound carefully. Okay. When you put an S at the end of a word, you can make that word mean more than one. When you put an S at the end of a word, you will find that plural can be fun. You can turn a toy into toys, a boy into boys, a star into stars, and a car into cars. You can turn a bug into bugs, a hug into hugs. See, plural can be fun, and plural means more than one. When you put an S at the end of a word, you can make that word mean more than one. When you put an S at the end of a word, you will find that plural can be fun. Plural means more than one. Plural means more than one. Okay. This song was just to start the class. So I have a question for you, and I would like to know, what do you think this class is about? According to the song that you listen,
Plural. Plural of the nouns.
plural of the nouns. You can see in the pictures we have apple, we have apples. Remember that the song says plural means more than one. Okay, so before starting to practice this class, I will present another video to know a little bit about plural and interact a little bit about it. Okay, so please pay attention what I'm going to present in the video, and please let me put it like this. Okay, and let's pay attention to what you are going to see, because there are some questions that I need you to interact.
Today we're going to talk about plural nouns in just a minute.
Okay, the first thing is, what do you already know about plural nouns? Do you know a lot, a little, or not much? Write
A
your
little
answer.
bit, teacher.
Mhm.
A bit.
You can write it on the place that says here a little. Okay, very good. Samuel, you can put your answer too. Very good. So Liliana says a little, Samuel says a little. Let's continue. Let's learn a little bit about it.
A noun is a word that names a person, place, object, or idea. When you have just one, it is a singular noun. But if you have two or more, it is a plural noun. Most plural nouns are formed by adding an S at the end, like apple to apples and student to students. Some plural nouns are formed differently depending on the last letter of the singular form. Most nouns that end in Y will drop the Y and add IES to the end, like baby to babies.
Okay, the next questions. There are exceptions to this rule. If a noun ends in a vowel plus I, just add an S to make it plural. For example, monkey becomes monkeys. What is another example of a noun that ends in a vowel plus Y? Can you tell me another example, please?
Boys.
Boys. Can you write it there, please?
Of course.
Okay, Liliana says
I
they.
wrote
Very good.
days. Yes.
Very good. Very good. And Samuel, boys. Okay. Thank you very much. Good examples. Let's continue.
For nouns ending in SH, CH, S, X, or Z, add an ES to the end of the word, like in beaches, dresses, bushes, and boxes. Finally, some singular nouns change words completely when made into plurals. Person becomes people, and goose becomes geese. Others stay exactly the same, like fish. Look out for exceptions like these. Can you think of another example of a plural noun that changes completely?
What is an example of a noun that changed completely from singular to plural?
Oh, yes. I remember one is man to man. I just
Very
write it
good, Liliana.
down.
There you
Okay.
go. Child, children.
Excellent example, Samuel. We'll write it there too.
And also, teacher,
Yeah.
woman. It changed to, I remember that one too.
Okay, yes, you're right. Woman, women, very good. So now I want you to answer me some questions. Here in this classroom that you can see over here, you are going to tell me if you see nouns that can be mentioned as plural. For example, here we have 1, 2, 3 girls. Can you tell me another example? Something that you see here, can you tell me?
Me, teacher.
Liliana, go ahead, please.
I see many school supplies like papers, pencil case, um, pens, and so on.
Okay, thank you very much. Very good. You see
I see
pens.
also there on the left side here, almost in the corner, two pink jackets.
Okay, you say here. Yeah,
I think, yeah.
you're right. 2 pink jackets.
There you go.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. What about something that you notice that is in singular? Can you tell me something that you see in singular?
The teacher.
Yeah, the teacher. There is only one teacher. Any other object that you see that is in singular?
The door.
The door. Very good.
Yes, the door.
Very good. Very good. Let's continue with the next activity. So now I want you to do this exercise. You have to match the noun with the correct image. So please do this exercise by your own. Please let me know if you can do it, please. You have the words that you have to match. I'm presenting you because I see it as a teacher, but I know that you will do the exercise not seeing the correct answer. So let's do it to see how many points can you get. Okay, go ahead. Liliana is already start. Okay, very good. Very good. Liliana has 3 points. Come on, Samuel already start. Okay, Liliana finished. She has 5 points. Very good. Samuel, let's wait for Samuel. Okay, he's advancing. Remember that in this activity, you are going to match. If the image is in singular, remember to match it with the noun in singular. If it is in plural, you match it with the noun in plural. Okay, so let's see. The first one, you have apple, and the word was apples. The second one, book, is in singular. You don't add S. Families, you add IES. Remember that? We changed the Y for IES. Bananas, because it's in plural, and pens. Let's continue with the next activity, okay? Because the time is running so fast. And on this activity, we have a quiz. We have a quiz. I'm going to give you some minutes to take a quiz to see how much do you remember about the rule, okay? Let's start the quiz.
Okay.
Okay, take the quiz, please. I will give you some minutes to complete the quiz and see how many correct or incorrect can you get, okay? You're going good. Go ahead. Okay, very good. Okay. Continue. Very good. Okay, and there you finish. Okay, very good. I'm going to stop. That means that you have, Liliana, you have all correct. Samuel, you have only one incorrect. So we will revise it in a few minutes, okay? Let's continue with the next activity. And our next activity is the following. You are going to play a game. It is a competition. In this competition, you are going to practice what you have learned about the plural, okay? So let's start with the competition. Please choose an avatar to participate, and the person who get who climbed the mountain faster is going to be the winner, okay? So choose your avatar and write your name on it, okay? We got Liliana de Jesus, and we got someone. Let's start the game, okay? Let's see, okay. Remember that you have to match the sentences with the correct image. He said, match the sentence with the correct image. Let's see who gets. Okay. Liliana is on the top with the points. Okay, let's continue. Very good. Let's go on with the questions. Okay, you're almost finishing. And finally, number 10, question number 10. Okay, question number 10. Let's see. Okay, very good. Samuel is the winner. You got 7,370 points. Liliana, excellent job. So, dear students, thank you for participating in class today. I will send you the homework via our platform. So see you in the next class. Goodbye.
Okay, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye.